Hey, today, I will share how to create a Swift PDF editor with ComPDFKit. Firstly, visit its documentation page and check the requirements. Then, find the comprehensive guidelines location and follow the step-by-step guide. Finally, please get your license key by clicking here. Now, follow our steps to start. Step 1. Create a new iOS project in Swift. First, select File, and then New Project. Next, choose iOS followed by a single new application, and click the Next button. Then, please make sure to choose Swift as the programming language and place the project to the location as desired. Finally, click the Create button. Step 2. Integrate ComPDFKit into your apps. In this step, ComPDFKit offers 3 ways: add ComPDFKit CocoaPods dependency, add ComPDFKit Swift Package Manager dependency, and add ComPDFKit XC frameworks manually. And in this video guide, we will show how to integrate ComPDFKit into your apps by adding the ComPDFKit XC frameworks manually. First, right-click the PDF Viewer project and select Add Files to PDF Viewer option. Then, find and choose ComPDFKit X frameworks in the download package, and then click Add button. Next, add ComPDFKit X frameworks to the code's embedded binaries. Finally, choose Embed and Sign option in the General tab. Step 3. Apply the license. Copy the license key you have received, and import the header file ComPDFKit in appdelegate.swift. Then use your license key to replay the license_key part. Step 4. Display a PDF document. Firstly, add the PDF document into the newly created project. Then, created a CPDF document object trough URL, and create a CPDF view to display it. Next, add the CPDF view to the current controller. Finally, run the project to display your PDF file. That's all. Hope to see you next time again.